Hi everyone! Welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to show you how to share your Instagram stories directly to WhatsApp. This is a quick and easy way to post the same story on both platforms and even help more people discover your Instagram profile. If this video is helpful, let us know in the comments. Leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Before sharing anything to WhatsApp, make sure you have already posted the story you want to use. In this example, I have already uploaded my story. Now, open that story directly from Instagram. At the bottom of the screen, you will see several options. Simply tap the WhatsApp option. Instagram will automatically take you to your WhatsApp status screen. From here, tap the Send button to publish the story. And that's it! Your story is now available on both Instagram and WhatsApp. If you open WhatsApp and go to the Updates or Status section, you will see the story there as well. Anyone who views your status will also have the option to tap View on Instagram, which will redirect them directly to your Instagram profile. And that's it! Now you know how to share Instagram stories to WhatsApp.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!